So another exercise on elastic collisions. Remember, it's a subtype of collisions. In collisions within closed systems, momentum is conserved, but in elastic collisions, the momentum is conserved and the energy is conserved. I'll leave you here the video with the theory. We're going to do October-November 2022, paper 1-2, exercise 11. Okay. So two solid spheres form an isolated system. Sphere X moves with, so an isolated system means it's a closed system, momentum is conserved. Sphere X moves with speed 6 centimeters per second in a straight line directly towards a stationary sphere. So sphere Y has velocity 0 as shown. The spheres have a perfectly elastic collision, so now the energy is also conserved. After the collision, sphere X moves with speed 2 centimeters per second in the same direction as before the collision. So we're going to consider the positive direction to the right. And as we know that it's an elastic collision, remember from the video I left you that we have to deal with relative velocities. Okay, so the formula to use is the relative approach velocity. The initial velocity is going to be minus the final approach velocity. Okay, so let's look at the exercises. The initial velocity for one was 6. This one is 0 because it was stationary. X v1 moves with 2 in the same direction, so that's a plus. And y it's the one that we're being asked for. So 6, this is a minus 2 on the right, so it moves as a plus 2 on the left, equals v2. So v2 equals 8 centimeters per second. Okay, so that's answer number D. And if we go to the marking scheme, October-November 2022, that's D. October-November 2022, that's D, so that's correct.